So my name's Bryce Greider. I'm a field service manager for Crown Lift Trucks. I grew up here in the Indianapolis area and attended Lincoln Tech in 2016-2017. It was very informative. I learned a lot here. I had a great time, made a lot of friends, people I actually still keep in touch with, and one technician that I even recently hired as a technician for my team came through Lincoln Tech with me. While I was at Lincoln Tech, I worked for Greider Truck, where I became an ASE Master Certified Technician, worked my way up from being a fuel island servicer all the way into the shop and lead tech in about 9 months while I was here at Lincoln. So I learned about Crown. I had absolutely no idea of forklifts. I had no background, no information at all. Crown came into Lincoln Tech and we had several field service managers, the position I'm in now, introduce themselves and start talking about the industry. Completely foreign industry to any of us in my class here at Lincoln, and we quickly found out that this is a hidden gem in the mechanical field. We have no flat rate. We've got guys that are making great money, work their own schedules and flexible. In Crown, we actually have, I believe, 75 branches just in the US, and they're all corporate owned branches. The wonderful thing about that is that offers mobility. Rather than just being stuck at a dealership, and if you decide you need to move cities, you lose seniority, you lose your pay, you lose your vacation. Being corporate-owned branches, we offer that mobility to move from location to location. That offers the ability to actually move up within the company as well. Position like myself, I moved from being a field service technician to a field service manager in 18 months because I was looking for those opportunities to move. As I progress my career, we have opportunities across the country and around the world that we can actually move into different positions that all start with a technical basis. And that extends from servicing, sales, manufacturing. We have everything. And that allows you to widen your view as a career, and you're not stuck just as a mechanic, because mechanics run the world. We can't do anything without them, but you have to have those other skills, and Crown offers the ability to learn those skills and use them in other ways. I like to hire Lincoln Tech grads for the main reason that Lincoln Tech focuses on skills that other technical schools don't. There's a great tradition here of focusing on soft skills and being technicians outside of just being wrench-turning mechanics. What we tend to see out of the industry is people that come in and think, oh, well, I'm a wrench turner, I get to get greasy and don't have to learn how to talk to customers. And Lincoln Tech really focuses not just on the technical skills that are needed to do the job, but all of those soft skills, because all of our technicians are customer facing. I'd absolutely recommend Lincoln Tech. I had great instructors here that were able to teach me not just how to fix things, but able to explain the fundamentals of why we do the things we do, how you actually can determine if a repair is necessary. If you don't understand how a system functions, you can't properly troubleshoot and repair. So the instructors here do an amazing job of explaining not just how to fix things, but why it works the way it does. And that goes way beyond what I've seen at other technical schools, and it also rolls back into the soft skills that are absolutely necessary to be a technician in the 21st century.